Good morning, Standard 2. So we're going to go ahead and get some practice with contractions today. We are doing contractions with personal pronouns, and we know what our pronouns are. Words like I, he, she, it's they, and more. So what is a contraction? A contraction is a shorter way to say two words. So instead of saying two words, we make it short. And when we make the words shorter, we replace the missing letters with an apostrophe. So let's go ahead and look at some examples. I have the words here, I will. I will. Let's turn this into a contraction. I will write I, and what I'm going to be removing is the W and the I in will. And I will replace that with my apostrophe, and I will just put LL. So instead of saying I will, we shorten it and it becomes I'll. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Shorter way to say it. Let's look at this one. She is. She is. Let's turn that into a contraction. We're going to keep the she, and in this case, all we're doing is removing the I here and replacing that I with an apostrophe, and it becomes she's. She's. She's sleeping, which translate or means she is sleeping. Let's go ahead and take a look at they are. They are. So I will go ahead and I will put the full they, and the only letter that's being replaced here is the A. So I put my apostrophe here, and I keep my R and my E. So this becomes there. They are sleeping, which means they are sleeping. They're sleeping. So how would you know which letters to replace? Well, there is no rule that you follow, which is why you all have a list in your notes that you wrote down yesterday. So use your list to help you. You're going to go ahead and you're going to write the correct version for the contractions that are already here on this worksheet. Please head up your language arts notebook, write everything out clearly, give me some really neat handwriting, and we're going to do number 1 together. You will finish from 2 to 10, and you send me a picture of this so I can check it. We have number 1, she's at the park. She's. The long version for that, or the 2 words that contraction is replacing, is she and is. So on my line, I will write the personal pronoun and the verb that is being used to make that contraction that we have here. So she's at the park is really saying she is at the park. So go ahead and complete this and send a picture.